Good morning, everyone. AI effect. Karnataka cuts base jobs targets. Enterprises to provide 25 jobs for rupees 50 crore investment. Bharat Joshi Bengaluru DHMS. Anticipating disruption from artificial intelligence, AI and automation. Karnataka has asked enterprises investing rupees 50 crore to create a minimum of 25 jobs in order to receive incentives under the government's new industrial policy. Due to advancements in artificial intelligence as well as industry focus on automation to increase productivity, minimum employment thresholds have been rationalized. The industrial policy 2025 to 30, which aims to create 20 lakh new jobs, states, according to the policy document, the minimum investment for a large enterprise must be rupees 50 crore and it must create at least 25 jobs similarly. A mega enterprise with a minimum investment of rupees 300 crore must have 150 jobs. An ultra mega enterprise with a minimum of rupees 1000 crore should create 500 jobs. Ultra mega projects should also create additional 6 jobs for every rupees 50 crore. Under the previous industrial policy 2020 to 25, large enterprises were asked to create 50 jobs for a minimum rupees 50 crore investment. Meeting the new minimum employment thresholds is necessary for enterprises to avail capital expenditure subsidy or production linked incentives. Start. AI and automation. That's the reality. AI will play a role everywhere in the areas of medical equipment, smartphones, chip making, and so on. Robots will replace human beings, said Industries Minister MD Patil told DH, adding that there were even robot measures. Patil, however, added that it was too early to speculate how AI would impact jobs. At the recent Invest Karnataka Summit, Google X co-founder Sebastian Trump youngsters to prepare themselves for AI. Approximately 60% of current jobs may disappear. Trump said at the summit, according to a statement, but far more new jobs will emerge as a result of AI and other technologies. Trump, who led the development of Google's driverless car, also said that AI's rise would lead to a shift in job types. Those who adapt will find new career prospects in fields that are currently emerging. He said the new industrial policy also offers incentives to enterprises that employ more women. Enterprises with 50%, 60%, and 70% women in workforce will get intensive boosters of 7.5%, 10%, and 15% respectively. Such measures are expected to contribute significantly to the state's social and economic objectives, making it a model for gender inclusiveness in industrial development. The policy states.